Setting up a funnel doesn't have to be stressful. You don't need coding skills, expensive software, or hours of tech headaches to get started. The truth is, all you really need are two pages, a landing page and a thank you page. That's it. Most beginners overcomplicate funnels and end up feeling stuck, worrying about automations, emails, or tiny design details. But when you use a drag and drop builder like System.io, you can put together a clean landing page and thank you page in minutes without touching a single line of code. The most important step is just getting your funnel live. Don't wait for it to be perfect. You can always go back and tweak things once people are already signing up. If you want an even smoother experience, the AI Faceless List Builder provides pre-built funnel templates and a 7-day activation checklist, walking you step by step so the tech setup never slows you down. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you a ready-to-go system, letting you build a faceless funnel quickly and confidently. Check the link in the description to get started.